Darwin beaches are shut again, but the Territory Government insists the bacterial contamination is not linked to the city's Larrakia sewage outfall. It's now agreed to year-round water monitoring after initially cutting water testing at the beaches for the entire wet season.
Another dry season, another round of beach closures. Nightcliff and Lee Point recorded unsafe levels of E. coli and enterococci, spurring the government to year-round testing.
We are going to sample the water regularly, every week, for the next 12-month period.
The opposition's crying foul on the time it took to release the latest test results.
Call me a cynic, but I think this government was going to hold those results back until after the Arafura Games to save face.
The government says a lab in Adelaide takes a week to produce results, but it's promising to establish an accredited water testing lab in Darwin.
That will accelerate the results, but it's not going to be very, very quickly. You can't have results in 24 hours or 48 hours because of the microbiology.
The government is quick to blame stormwater drains like this one at Nightcliff Beach. But the opposition says the government has made an obvious concession that the Larrakia sewage outfall is at least partly to blame for the closure of Darwin's beaches.
If it wasn't contributing pollution to the harbour, why would you spend all that money in closing it down?
While that argument continues, biochemists at Charles Darwin University are starting a pilot study using genetic markers often found in human faeces to track down where the pollution is coming from.
So we build up a picture of relationships between sites for our region so we can start to talk about sources.
They're already warning E. coli is not a useful indicator.
It has very little association with actual incidents of ill health.
The results of this more comprehensive testing won't be known until the beginning of the next wet season. Rick Hind, ABC News, Darwin.